Hi. In this video, we will see how to prepare for MAT May attempt. Okay, like the preparation plan for the May attempt, the test dates, and does the college JBIMS college will they accept the May exam scores for MBA admissions? Okay, or how to prepare for the current affairs. All these things we will see in this video quickly one by one. So MAT exam is conducted in the May month, and you can see the test dates in the official site. You can see here PBT is conducted on 31st May and CBT is conducted on 14th June. So will the JBIMS accept the MAT score? Yes, they do accept if you can submit the score before the CAP counseling starts. Okay, so the centralized admission process conducted by the Maharashtra government usually happens in early July. Okay, sometimes late June or early July. Okay, if you get the MAT exam scores before that, you can definitely submit the scores, and you can use the May MAT attempt for the counseling process. You can submit the scores. But remember, for JBIMS, uh, what is your cutoff? Is 99.99 is your cutoff. Okay. In the MAT, you should get this score. Okay, 99.99. It will be 7 digits after the decimal point, and your MAT score will have that. So they will accept if you get the score before the CAP process starts. And most likely you have a good chance to get it, because June 14th is the exam, and you'll get the score within 1 week or 10 days. Okay, so most likely it is possible to get the score, and you can use the score for the JBIMS admissions. Okay, you prepare for the MAT exam. There are many students who are preparing for the last minute, like just 1 month before. And also, so what are the main things you need to focus, important things you need to focus section wise? Okay, language comprehension, reading comprehension practice. You have about 8 questions for this, so practice reading comprehension. Para jumble, jumbled sentences, you have to make it as a meaningful paragraph. You have to arrange it in an order. This also you get about 4 to 5 questions you get. Paragraph summary, you may have one or two. Okay, 1 or 2 questions. Idioms and vocabulary. Idioms, you get 3 to 5 questions also. Idioms, okay, 3 to 5. Okay, vocabulary also you get around some 3 to 5. Okay, vocabulary we can't do anything, but we have a vocabulary list. Okay, just you can go through, or otherwise, if you know the word, fine, like that. Sometimes you get based on the context also, you can give the meaning. In that case, it will be little easier. Okay, if they ask direct synonym or antonym, it might be little tough if you don't know the word. Okay, so this is the plan for language comprehension. RC, parajumble, paragraph summary, idioms, vocabulary. Apart from this, what is tested is error spotting, or fill in the blanks using the grammar things are all left out, like, okay, like prepositions, conjunctions are tested using the fill in the blanks type. So if you are good at the grammar, then you can handle that. But that is not as a standard template. It's not that every exam tests the grammar. Okay, error spotting or fill in the blanks may not be there in all the papers. Okay, so what you should prepare, definitely RC, para jumble, paragraph summary, idioms by heart. Idioms, lot of idioms are there. Just try to read at least some 100 idioms. Okay, we have given one video also earlier. You can refer to that video, idioms video we have given. Okay, on vocabulary, we have a list of vocabulary. If you want, you can download it. I'll give the link in the description. If you want, you can download that and you can read. But it is not sure that you will be getting from that list. Okay, right. Next is critical reasoning. These are the two easy sections, you can score more actually. Okay, so don't miss these two. Critical reasoning, you get questions from directions, blood relations, series or sequence type of questions, patterns type of questions, coding type of questions, statement conclusion, assertion reasoning, cause effect, force of action, statement assumption. So these are some of the questions very often. Even seating arrangement also often tested. Okay, seating arrangement. And then a classification type of question, where a paragraph of information given followed by some questions. But these are very easy ones for sure. Critical reasoning section, normally students say it is easy and they score more from these two sections only. They get more score, or they can attempt more number of questions, particularly critical reasoning. Okay, so don't miss that. These two sections you can focus more. In case if you're really strong in it, you can still, you can strengthen it more so that you get more accuracy in these two sections as well. Mathematical skills for nowadays, at least for the last 2 3 exams, we hear that this difficulty level has increased. Okay, mathematical skills is little difficult nowadays. Okay, what is a common topics tested? Or there are so many topics like algebra is there, geometry is there, trigonometry is there. Okay, there are so many topics, but it is enough if you prepare these topics. The reason I'm saying is, even though you have 30 questions in this section, you will not have time to do more questions. You will have time mostly to do only some around 20 questions. Okay, this 20 questions, arithmetic is very highly tested. So you can definitely handle this 20 questions if you prepare these topics just based on what students say from the after they give the exam. Okay, just based on that, because officially syllabus is not there. Okay, just only based on experience we are talking. Okay, percentage, ratio, mixtures, rates, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, averages. If you prepare for these topics, you will be, rates means it includes lot of things in this. Rates includes distance, peak time, pipes and systems questions, work rate time related questions. Okay, so if you prepare this much topics, okay, you can definitely handle 20 questions, and you cannot do more than 20 because math is a very fast paced exam. So it is very tough to do more questions in maths. So this much is enough. And those who are preparing towards the end, 1 month time only there means you can definitely look for only these topics. Okay. And coming to the next section, data interpretation is the fourth section. Here you should go with a plan that quantity comparison, 5 questions will be there. Just handle it. This is a very easy thing to do in this section. Okay, quantity comparison. That is, 2 columns will be there. You have to compare the values in 2 columns and find out which is greater, like kind of questions. Data sufficiency, 5 questions will be there. This is the second easy thing. And once you finish these two, just take up any 10 questions from the graphs. Okay, what kind of graphs are tested is almost all kind of graphs, like a table or a bar graph or a pie chart or a line graph. Okay, or just a combination of any of these. Okay, you get around one graph or two graph or three graphs. Okay, for each set you will have about 4 to 5 questions. Okay, so you can take up any two sets and do that, or you can just go question wise, whichever question is easy. A one line question, a very direct question like percent increase, percent decrease are very commonly tested. If these are the things, if keywords are there, then you can go for that. Okay, just handle only 20 questions in this section also. Next, fifth one, economics and business environment. Last 3 months current affairs you have to prepare, which are relevant to economics and business only. Okay, don't do all the current affairs. Only relevant to economics and business you have to do. Okay, so February, March, April, May current affairs you can prepare. And if you want the current affairs notes, we have the notes. We give it for a very minimal cost, some 300 rupees. We give the notes. There is a link in the description for this. If you want, you can see that. Once you prepare all these chapters, you should do tests. Okay, without practice, it is very difficult to plan the pacing. Okay, so because as I told you, you have to answer 150 questions in just 120 minutes. Okay, so you have to be very fast, and for this you need to practice full papers. At least 5 full papers, please practice in with the timer. Okay, and then you review the paper also. So if you prepare whatever is given here now in this video as a syllabus, like the language comprehension, critical reasoning or max, these are the topics, and then data interpretation, the plan given here, economics and business environment, these are the 3 months data, and then along with that 5 full tests. Okay, if you can do this much, then definitely you can score more. We have given all the complete thing to score, to maximize your score. Okay, and if you want test series, it is available with us. Math test series is there. You can, the link I will give in the description. You can look for this also. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you can just give in the comments. Whatever you want to discuss, you can put it in the comments. Subscribe to our channel for more current affairs related videos also we will upload. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.